first thing first, before we even jump right into a video, bro, I just want to tell y'all, bro, I love and appreciate y'all so much, bro. Y'all are going crazy on these videos, bro. I know mainly it's because everybody want to see fireworks and, I mean, them blowing up they, you know what I'm saying, they place or whatever. I know that's why I'm pulling views, but still, though, at the same time, I love that y'all are clicking on me instead. Like, that is a huge blessing. Like, I really love that, bro. Like, I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all, you know what I'm saying? Welcome to all the new subscribers, bro. Bro, expect stuff like this every day, bro. We do this on a daily, you know what I'm saying? New reactions, you know? And this is about to be a quadruple upload, bro, in one day, bro. A quadruple. I don't even remember the last time I did that. That's only if I get this video out until the other videos say a day ago, bro. Cause, yeah. What's going on, GoeDumb family? It's your boy KeeGoDumb. Yes, I'm back with another reaction, man. I'm back on that dumb shit, you feel me? Look, bro, if you're new to the channel, please, look, hit the sub button right now. It's free. You don't have to pay for it. Hit the sub button. Stop playing with me. Like the video. Turn on post notifications. I upload every single day. You can also follow me on every social media link that's in the description below. And y'all already see by the title, bro. We reacted to Kai's point of view. We reacted to Agent point of view. And Davis is getting like, man, Davis is going through it. I wonder if he slept. Well, like, where did he sleep? I know he didn't sleep in that room. That man had to sleep on the couch or sleep. He had to go get a hotel or something, bro. A blow up mattress, something. Cause I know he didn't sleep in that room. They did Davis so dirty, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, we about to react to Duke Dennis just like shooting fireworks off the roof. You know what I'm saying? One of y'all requested this video, so hey, I'm about to deliver. Listen, man, when I hit this play button, you better subscribe to the channel right now, bro. Hit the sub button, stop. Oh yeah, we also got, bro, we finna hit 1 million views on TikTok, bro. From that, when Kai room got blown up, then he went to go blow Davis room up. We about to hit 1 million views. This is gonna be our second 1 million view video on TikTok, bro. TikTok, hey, I ain't gonna lie, TikTok showing so much love too, man. I barely be on that app, like at all.
Hey, I'm finna scare fan watch.
I barely be on that app, and I be getting hella views. Oh
damn!
It went out. Wait, what the? Bro, in the Ricks, bro, in the Rick Owens, bro, you having a firework war in the. This man's getting too much money. This man's getting too much money, bro. Damn, them sound like gunshots. Look at this athletic, bro. My goodness, man. In Rick Owens, I wouldn't even be doing that in Rick Owens, bro. Too much money. How y'all day was though, bro? My day was good. I hate that I have to go to work tomorrow. I gotta deal with these damn customers and, bro, y'all don't know. Working at damn Sam's Club.
Hey, I'm finna scare fan watch.
We already seen this. We already. Am I tripping? Yeah, we already seen that part, right? Bro, like, damn. Bro, what if they, like... This man got a paintball gun, though, bro. Like, that is so unfair. Man, Duke is in sweat.
My bad. Hey, I thought you was shooting at me, bro. My bad.
Bro, it is, y'all don't understand, bro. I don't know how he's wearing sweats in almost 100 degrees, but yeah, it was 100 degrees like a few days ago, and then 90-something degrees. Bro, in Georgia, it is so hot, bro. It's so hot. Y'all just don't know.
Oh, bet.
As soon as you step outside, you're melting.
You was shooting at me.
They done messed this house up though, bro. The door glass shattered.
This nigga ate in the hole, man.
They messed this house up.
You need help? You can see everything.
Damn.
Agent a hole, bro.
Man, they stopped it.
Agent, this nigga Agent goddamn quit.
You leaving?
I don't know, bro.
This man
I think
made.
that nigga don't got no more fireworks and shit.
He made David sign a peace treaty though.
Look at this nigga.
Couldn't be me.
Woo!
This shit crazy.
My bad, y'all. I'm on my phone.
Hey, Elijah!
Nah, y'all got up there. Nah, y'all got up there. What's up with that nigga Kyle, bro? I'm saying all that nigga supposed to house, bro. This your house too. Yeah, I know. I'm just saying if I was y'all, I wouldn't say all this because he coming down. So I wouldn't say all that if I was you because he coming.
David's hair caught on
He got
fire.
fireworks and shit right now.
It was just a bad 4th of July for Davis, man.
Man, boy, you ain't finna. Hear that, don't you? You hear that?
What is this man doing? You're muted. Damn. Dude broke the glass door. Oh my God, bruh. He was the one that broke it. Look at all them fireworks in the back he didn't even pop.
Damn. Boy, them niggas crazy in there, bro. Damn.
Damn. Bro.
Alright. Okay.
It's like the fireworks they lighting, bruh. It's crazy because like you can't even light these in the house and they just, bruh, they don't give a man.
Oh, shit.
It's just folks with money.
Fuck.
They got so much money, bruh.
Check. Look at this shit, bro.
What's up, bro? What happened? Bro, imagine cleaning all that up, bro.
Hey, listen, Chad. Hey, Chad, listen. Chad, listen. I think the police out there.
Police.
I think the police out there, bro. With that being said, yeah, I think the police out there, bro. Love y'all niggas though, man.
Oh, no.
Love y'all young niggas. I'm finna goddamn head to goddamn somewhere other than right here. Hold on.
The police, bro. This man is gone.
Hey, the house ain't gonna be livable for like a week.
This man sweating like hell. This man is packing. He is, bro. This nigga is gone, bro.
And I'll holler at y'all niggas, man.
Bro, if I was at the AMP house right now, I wouldn't even know what to do, bro. I would need y'all, you know what I'm saying, to come light these fireworks for me, bro, because I need protection, you know. It's just a lot going on in that damn house right now, bro. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's reaction. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, bro. Follow me on every social media link that's in the description below. If y'all want more AMP reactions or more, like, you know, other reactions, bro, just send me videos, bro. Let me know something. Y'all stay safe. I'm out, bro.